mother deer. She runs away in pain. He runs away in pain. Later, the king found her hiding in some bushes with her baby deer. She was bloody. She was bloody and had tears in her eye. She still fed her baby with milk, and she soon died. The king felt very sorry. He felt very sorry. He picked up the baby and said to it, "I will now care for you." And he broke in two. And he said, "I will never hunt again to remember that day. And he named the forest White Deer Park. Like people, animals also have feelings. We should not kill them for fun or sport.